So add here our container. I am setting its content with the box, and the size will be 1920. Add some border padding like 20. Again add a container. Okay, now here we have two columns. This is the first and this is the second. So let's create. First of all, select this container and make direction to row horizontal. Duplicate, and the width of the second column is huge or bigger than this first one. So select this first one and set its size to 25. Okay, now select the container and set its height to 350. Okay, now let's add the background image to this container. This position will be center, repeat, no repeat, display size, cover. Okay, now let's add the border radius to this container along with background overlay, so that our text on this container will be visible easily. You can set here your location, also your opacity. Now let's add the text, which is heading. So copy the heading, so H1, and here I will add the padding inside this container like 15. Go to select this text, go to style, change color to white. Also let's change the typography settings here, set to REM and 5. Also change font to Poppins. Okay, let's change it to 4. Now let's add the text editor. We have to add this text below. Copy this, paste here, go to style, change text color to white. Go to typography, change to 20. Okay, let's add the more padding inside this container. I will set it to 25. Now it's perfect. Okay, so I will use here text. Select this container and shift the items to center like this. Okay, select this, go to advanced, and I will set the width, minimum width to this text like this. Okay, now we have to add the button, button not, it's a search. Select search, type here. Okay, now we have to just modify this or redesign this search bar to look exactly same as this. So first of all, here change it to animal PNG, car PNG, etc. Okay, so here we will use the submit button, only enter key here. Go to style and change background color. Border radius to 100. Okay, here border type to none. Icon, go to icon library, type search, save the first icon. Go to style, here the background I will add some nice transparent effect by reducing the opacity. Also go to advanced. You can see here the width of this search bar is very large, so we don't need that length of search bar. So custom px, you can either set to 200 or like this. Okay, now it looks perfect. Go to style, gap in between icon and style, you can adjust from here. Okay, so that's it. Now we have to create this section where we have to show one ad placement and just below all the category listings of the images or the wallpapers. Okay, so we just finished this hero section. Now we have to add the image for this container where you have to show the ads. Okay, so I will simply use here image. Okay, just like this. Now just below it we have the category list. Okay, so I will use here simple WordPress menu. Okay, but before that we already created the menu at this over this, or you can see here is our footer menu. So I will select this menu and just copy and paste so that it will save a lot of time to redesign the menu of the category. Okay, so here is the photo, edit with Elementor. Copy this and paste here in the same column. Okay, but here we will use a different column. Okay, just make sure this container have the minimum height to 100 viewport height. Okay, now I will use here one container and just paste your category. Okay, menu. From here go to here, we have to select the menu over. Okay, so our menu is category menu, just like this. So it's not showing. Let's publish this and visit the site. Okay, it's still not showing, so let's figure out this issue. Go to appearance, menu, and check the category menu. Okay, so category menu is empty. Now let's add the categories. Here under categories, select all except uncategories. Okay, now click on add and save menu. Now check. So here we all the categories are showing in this field. Okay, now let's style this menu. So refresh this first. Change the text color to black. And here the pointer color, we have to select the pointer color. Pointer color is okay. Okay, it's something like yellow, and active color will be same. Okay, that's it. So our main website has some gray background color. Okay, so we will also add the gray background color. So here select this, go to style, and here background have to normal. Okay, so I just added the brick color like this. Here you will see some space from the left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so this is because we have just set our width to 1920px. So instead we can set it to full width and this 100%. Okay, and here set padding to almost negligible, means 0. Okay, now it's perfect. So what we can do here more, right now there is no need to set this 100%, set to boxed and enter 20px. Now refresh this, and there is no extra space at the left and right hand side. Okay, now just reduce this gap in between two columns. So select this container, and here uncheck everything. You can set it to 15 or 10. Okay, according to your requirement. Click on publish. Also select this, not this, this is the image container, this is WordPress menu, and this is image container. Okay, so set this to 0, set its padding to 0. Okay, just like this. Click on publish, and let's test the website. So it's looking like this. Okay, let's increase the size of this container height, or set to 400. Okay, now we have this type of layout which needs to be appear in the home page. So it's very easy to create this type of layout. Okay, now the next step, we have to simply we will create these archive pages currently showing like this, which we don't want, and it doesn't look professional. Okay, just like this. So for that, what we will do here, first of all, we will create these archive pages. Okay, so for that we will go to Elementor theme builder, and there we have this archive page. Okay, so click on add new. Now what we'll do here, we will copy everything from here. Okay, just copy paste here, and here remove, and also reduce the size to something like 250, and here what we will set, or we will change here to archive title. Okay, and we will keep this search bar as it is on this place. Now here. Also we will keep here the categories the same, but alright. Now what we can do more. Okay, so we have just said these things. Now let's publish it, and here you will see it's asking where do you want to display your template. So we will display our template, not all archives. If you have different pages and if you have the blogs or something else, then you have to set this template for a specific category. Okay, just in my case it's categories for all. Okay, or you can set here more precisely I will only set to categories. Okay, here, so we'll set to all categories. Now let's test this. Click on animal PNG. Okay, and you will see here category animal PNG. Similarly you will see the category name along with, okay, in this archive page, like this. Okay, I hope you understand this thing still here. Next, what we'll do here, we will simply add some posts inside our website, and we will create this type of post thumbnail. Okay, along with this elementor build detail page of the post. Okay, so it's very easy, and you will know the every functions that I have implemented here, from download views, download counter, number of views, this downloading pop-up and everything. Okay, so stay tuned.